Hello students, we are going to start the first chapter from Hornbill, which is written by Khushwant, and it is one of the autobiographical part, okay, which is narrated by Khushwant. And how do we understand these lessons, okay, in a simple way. Okay, so before to understand this chapter, we need to read this chapter line by line, so it will help us to know what the writer is trying to tell us. So here is the first paragraph that start with the such kind of expressions. They are: my grandmother, like everyone's grandmother, was an old woman. She had been old and wrinkled for 20 years that I had known her. This writer is trying to tell us, okay, my grandmother is too much known to me, okay, means he knew, okay, he knew his grandmother, that she is too much old, okay, there are so many marks on the face, means we can call it wrinkles, and it is too much familiar to whom? The writer. So writer is a miss since 20 years that he knows her in a better way, okay. So there are so many stories that are told by the people, so he is trying to tell us. People said that she had once been young and pretty and had even had a husband, but that was hard to believe, okay. So as I know that I know my grandmother since 20 years, and as according to writer's viewpoint, so we will understand that he knows how he has seen his grandmother as old person. And another thing is there is wrinkles, okay, there are so many marks on the face, okay. So it is very hard to believe to the writer that how could be his grandmother could be a young and pretty one, okay. So it is very difficult for him that he can understand or a different story that were narrated regarding of it, okay. So the next line also suggested here: my grandfather's portrait hung above the mantelpiece into the drawing room, okay. And his grandfather's portrait means picture which was hanged above the fireplace in a living room, okay. And how does he used to look? He wore a big turban and a loose fitting clothes. His long white beards cover the best part of his chest, and a look at least 100 years old, okay. Now here writer also is trying to tell us that my grandfather was too much elder than my grandmother, means she was a pretty, okay, means according to what the different views of the people, that she was pretty and young, okay. But here writer also trying to tell us that his grandfather was too much elder, means he was, okay, there was no similarity between, okay, there was too much gap between that it shows the 100 years old, okay. He did not look the sort of person who could have a wife or children, okay. And he was not such kind of a ordinary person that those have children's, okay, grandson, okay, and wife too. But how he looked as if he could only have a lot of grandchildren, okay. Means there are the dozens of so many people, there are so many children are there, okay. So now next line is: as for my grandmother's being young and pretty, the thought was almost revolting. Now the one thing it is disturbing the writer, that how could be the thing I mean to say here, the charming of the grandmother, means he is I mean to say the looking at the things, how could be the grandmother could be remain here young and pretty. These kind of things are disturbing him because he knows her better way, and he knows since 20 years. And one thing that it is unchangeable is that she is as same as okay, means there is no changes that have been seen on her face. Okay, so that is why he is trying to tell us. She often told us of the games she used to play as a child. Okay, means when she was a small kid, okay, small child, at that time she used to tell us a different kind of story. But what we do used to do, that seems quite absurd and undignified on her part, and we treated it like the fable on the perfect she used to tell us. Okay, means we used to make this whenever she used to tell us the different kind of story, at that time we take it as a granted that there is no sense of that. Means she, whatever might she is trying to tell us the different kind of game, different kind of things that she used to play, this means that these were the very important. But right now, according to me, according to the writer's viewpoint, it was absurd and undignified. Okay, so that is why whatever may be the stories, or whatever may be the things were, or whatever may be the anecdotes were told by grandmother, that we used to consider, we used to means writer used to consider that these things were what a story of Sikh gurus. Okay, and we used to let them it go. Okay, now next paragraph also suggests here, she had always been short and fat and slightly bent. Okay, now here writer is trying to tell us the statue, or maybe we can say a body, means appearance of the grandmother. How she was short. Okay, she was fatty one and slightly bent, means according to the means, as we knew that the person, those who are getting old, obviously they are also bending by their waist. Okay, so similarly she was slightly bent, means it was very difficult for her to walk in a proper way that she could. Okay, so her face was a crisscross wrinkles running from where to where. Sorry, wrinkles running from everywhere to everywhere. Okay, miss, as I know that my grandmother was also, there were the different kind of, there was a lot about crisscross means wrinkles, we as we can say over here. Okay, there were so many wrinkles. No, we were certain that she had always been, as we had known her, old. Okay, now here writer also trying to tell us that no, he is just not trying to tell us that there were only crisscross means wrinkles on the face. There were no I mean to say a beauty on the face. But as I know that what he is trying to say, he is certainly sure that she had always been as if, means she is as same as it is. Okay, that is old. Okay, there had not be I mean to say what he is trying to say then, so terribly old that she could not have grown older. Means as we knew that now the year after years, as we knew that we can see so many differences in the persons. Okay, so in so many things. Okay, there are so many changes are happening. Okay, but here the writer also telling us that there are no changes since a longer time. Means longer time is what here, since 20 years. Okay, and at the stay at the same age for 20 years. Now once again similarly he is talking about 20 years, means he knows his grandmother since 20 years, and there is no, we can say, little bit changes that have been taken place, that it is representing that she is growing older. Okay, so that is why, miss, he is too much confidence that I know my grandmother that she is as same as it is when means I'm looking at her from the which day that she is the same as it is from the next one too. Okay, and it will remain same as it is in afterwards. Okay, she couldn't never have been pretty. She could never have been pretty, but she was always beautiful. Okay, as we knew that right now she is not looking too much beautiful, but now she was too much. She is right now. Okay, he is promise. Khushwant Singh is trying to tell us that either she is not pretty. Pretty means beautiful, but still she is too much beautiful. Always beautiful. She hobbled about the house into the spotless white with the one hand resting on her waist to balance her stoop and other tailing other one hand to beads of her rosary. Okay, now here once again Khushwant Singh is trying to tell us that hobbled means the one of the person who is getting difficulties to walk. Okay, hobbled. Okay, now here he is trying to tell us that whenever I have seen her, okay, she is always spotted us. Okay, when how she is spotted with the spotless white. Okay, means she used to wear every time what white sari. Okay, and now one hand resting on her waist. Okay, means she used to keep her another hand on the waist to balance her stoop. Okay, and another thing is that she used to bring one thing with her. Okay, rudrakshamala. Okay, beaded of her rosary means rudrakshamala. Okay, and what she used to do, her silver locks were scattering untidy over her pale puckered face. Puckered means wrinkle. Okay, puckered face, and her lips are constantly moving to inaudible prayer. And whenever as I can remember that whenever I have seen to my grandmother at that time I have seen that there is a word scattering untidy hairs. Okay, means lock of the hairs. And now another thing is that I have also seen the one what the lips are constantly moving, which is the praying to the god. Okay, yes, she was beautiful. And once again I miss once again in a confidently here writer once again telling us that she was beautiful. She was like the winter landscape into the mountain. How she was, he is just comparing his grandmother with the landscape of the mountain. What does it mean that she is a what she is a very content means he is just representing the nature of the what the grandmother. How she is what an expanse of pure white serenity, means there is no I mean to say there is no compassion regarding of this thing. Means she is very calm and quiet with the nature. Okay, breathing a peace and content. Okay, contentment means content means satisfaction. Okay, there is nothing that is remain in her life that she want to complete it that. Okay, so that is the reason behind of that. That is the why the white serenity represent her the quality of the grandmother. And here once again the what the breathing peace means there is no enthusiasm to achieve something. Okay, so there is no means she is just trying to, or she is just doing one thing, that is remembering the god. Okay, so now next paragraph also tell us. Okay, so what is that? My grandmother and I were good friends. Now he is just talking about the friendship between them. Okay, my parents left me with her when they went to live in the city, and we were constantly together. Okay, now he is trying to tell us because of the some reason his parents left him alone over here, and he used to live with his grandmother. Okay, she used to wake me up into the morning and get me ready for school. Okay, as we she used to get me ready for the school. She said her morning prayer into monotonous singing song while she bathing and dressing me into the hope that I would listen and get to know it by heart. Okay, means a writer also trying to tell us that she want to inculcate such kind of qualities in me, that was, we can say here, ethics, that is, we can say here, sanskar. Okay, means what, that is why she used to sing a song. Okay, she used to sing a song, uh, she used to do here different kind of a prayer. Okay, prayer, but it was what, monotonous, means it was very uninteresting. Okay, there were no interest, and I used to, okay, I used to hear because of the one reason. What was that? I listened because I love her voice but never bothered to learn it. Okay, but here writer once again telling us that he never bother means he never took here difficulties to understand what she is trying to, or what she is chanting, or what she is praying. But what was that? He loves too much the voice of the grandmother. Then she would fetch my wooden slate, which she had already washed and plaster with yellow chalk, a tiny earthen ink pot, and a red pen. Tie them all in a bundles and hand it to me. Okay, what she used to do then? She, whenever I am just getting ready to go to school, at that time she used to make the all things prepare. Okay, and she used to keep it to me in my hand. That then after a breakfast of the thick stale chapati with a little butter and sugar spread on it, and she used to give me breakfast. Okay, which was it was a thick one. Okay, what kind of the chapati? It was thick one. Okay, and there were the little butter and sugar too. She, as we went to school. Okay, now here writer also telling us that they used to go to school. She carries several stale chapati with her for the village dogs. Okay, and she also used to bring the remaining stale chapatis, okay, with her, because to give the village dogs. Okay, thank you. We will continue tomorrow.